As a car dealer, there's no better feeling than making a quick sale. You want to keep your customers happy, so you do your best to get them through the paperwork process as quickly as possible. But there's one thing that's always a pain up front. What if the customer is trying to title the vehicle in another state? When dealing with out-of-state customers, things can get really complicated. The fees, taxes, and necessary forms are completely different from state to state. So even though you're an expert in your own state, it's virtually impossible to be an expert in all 50 of them. Since out-of-state titling is so complex, dealers typically don't have any idea what exactly they need to collect from the customer. This uncertainty causes headaches for F&I managers and title clerks and can create huge delays for your customer in the process. Not to mention, it can still take up to 90 days or more to obtain the customer's title and registration. 90 days just for title and registration? There's a way of making your customers run for the door. That's where we come in. With TitleTech's nationwide auto titling solution at your fingertips, anyone can be an expert with out-of-state transactions in all 50 states. TitleTech Nationwide generates the exact taxes, fees, forms, and guidelines needed to title and register vehicles across the entire United States. All of the documentation can be completed through the system and printed from a laser printer with a few simple clicks, right at the point of sale. You'll be able to complete all title and registration tasks in-house in moments. Similar to other TitleTech solutions, TitleTech Nationwide is completely web-based, so there's nothing to ever download or install. Did we mention it comes with 24/7 live support and free training sessions? Save time, reduce costs, and put a smile on your customers' faces. Finally, a comprehensive nationwide titling solution for dealers exists. TitleTech Nationwide, taking the pain out of state transactions. For more information, contact us today at sales@titletech.com.